really, I think for me, from my side, the experience was absolutely the same. They both treat me like I'm their.
Hi, this is Sohail. I'm a freelancer. My question is to Farah and Shah Rukh. Nowadays, where like people are preferring solo hero film, in fact, like such an ensemble cast. How did you manage to एक साथ सबको जमा करना और उन सबके रोल को जस्टिफाई करना है?
May I answer this?
Please.
Actually, ये फिल्म फारा ने नहीं लिखी थी, मैं सच बताता हूँ सोहेल. ये फिल्म सोनू की है. So सबसे पहले वो मैं बता रहा हूँ. तो सबसे पहले वो गए विशाल भारद्वाज के पास म्यूजिक करने के लिए. वो नहीं मिले तो विशाल शेखर ले लिया. उसके बाद वो गए नसीरुद्दीन शाह के पास, उन्होंने मना किया तो विवान शाह ले लिया. फिर वो टाइगर श्रॉफ के पास गए, उसने कहा नहीं मैं ये वाला नहीं करूँगा रोल, तो हमने जैकी श्रॉफ को ले लिया. उसके बाद हम प्रकाश पादुकोण के पास गए, उन्होंने मैं तो फिल्म में करता ही नहीं, तो दीपिका चलेगी यार. उसके बाद हम अमित जी के पास गए, सोनू साहब, उन्होंने कहा नहीं नहीं भाई ये तो नहीं होगा, तो हमने अभिषेक को ले लिया. एज अ मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट जितने भी लोग हैं यहाँ पर स्टेज के ऊपर, सोनू ने ऐसे ही कास्ट किया. साजिद खान के पास ने कहा तो उसने कहा निकल जा, फारा को लेने तो ले ले, तो फारा खान को ले लिया. फाइनली सोनू अरुणा ईरानी के पास गए. जब अरुण ईरानी नहीं मिली तो उन्होंने बोमन ईरानी को ले लिया. तो ऐसे हम लूजर्स को लेकर ये फिल्म बनाई है. होपफुली हम लूजर्स इतनी मेहनत करेंगे, और जब सारे खानों ने निकाल दिया तो मेरे पास आया ये, तो मैंने कहा यार हम तो कर ही लेंगे यार. तो ऐसे बनाई है सोहेल यार, बहुत मेहनत से हम लूजर्स ने बनाई है. होपफुली आप लोगों के दिल को पसंद आएगी. छोटी सी पिक्चर है, दुआ कीजिएगा.
Hello Team India Wale. First of all, congratulations on a fantastic trailer. I'm sure the movie is going to be a blockbuster.
Thank you.
My question is for Deepika. I would like to ask you, you made your grand debut with Om Shanti Om with none other than Farah Khan. And now after that movie, after being the queen of Bollywood, you're working with her again. So could you share your experience with us? What was different then, new now, something?
Nothing has changed. She treats me the same way. I'm as nervous around her. What? Stop laughing, okay?
She's just become a superb actress now.
No, thank you. No, but really, I think for me, from my side, the experience was absolutely the same. They both treat me like I'm their little, like, like possessive and protective, and always making sure I'm okay and always taking care of me. And as far as performance is concerned, though, she's very good with actresses and in the way that she presents them. But I'm still extremely nervous around her. In fact, on my second day of shoot, somebody came and said, somebody who's worked with me on other films and then worked with me on this one, they said, you're around Farah, you're a little different now. You're very quiet and you're a little reserved. So there you go.
My mother's laugh the loudest at this.
Hi, Shah Rukh. I'm Sasha from Hotyor. A question to you regarding the trailer. I mean, we saw Atlantis there, and you have a home there. So how was it shooting, on your second home, actually?
No, I still haven't bought over Atlantis. But after this film, yes, inshallah, I'm going to do that. We all stayed together. To be really honest, we didn't go to the house at all.
Oh, we went for the most
night,
amazing
One evening.
rap
I was coming
party.
to it. I was coming to it. Yeah, no, we're coming to it. We spent together in Atlantis. We had this lovely room where we all used to get together. I'll be very honest. This has been an extremely familial, family-like experience. And, we had a great time making this film. We were discovering things. Like you said, Farah, myself, Deepika, we worked together. I worked with most of the actors here. We had such a wonderful time. We stayed together. Only on the last night we went there, and then we kind of partied there. And my house has never been the same again. अब उस घर के अंदर कोई भी नहीं जा सकता. उसको restricted area मान लिया गया है. Yeah, it's completely destroyed right now. So we're waiting for it to be refurbished. And inshallah, when we go for the premiere, it'll be all right, so we can go and party there again.
At one point, there were people of 6 different communities in the pool with me. And one was actually trying to touch my feet underwater.
Hi, Shah Rukh.
This is only Farah's experience, not mine. Farah पता नहीं क्या-क्या करती रहती है shooting के बाद, हमें पता नहीं.
Hi, good evening. This is Shayanti.
Hi, Shayanti.
Since we've heard so much about losers and winners, in real life, how do you define a loser and winner? I would like to know from both of you all.
Myself and
Deepika.
Okay. I think मैंने आज सुबह भी बोला है कि अगर आप कोशिश करके हार जाते हैं तो आप loser नहीं हैं. If you don't try, you're a loser. And I think there is nothing like a winner. Because if you think of yourself as a winner, you've ended what you wanted to achieve. You've kept a limit to yourself. So every time when you achieve something that you think you want to do, you should just keep on moving on, not live. I keep saying this to everyone. You should not work for prosperity or posterity. You should just keep working because it's happy and fun to keep on doing new things. So there is nothing like an ultimate winner, and there's nothing like an ultimate loser. Because if you've tried and failed, it's all right to be having failed, but you're not a loser. The fact that you tried makes you a winner.